I like this song. What's his name? Siggy Reds or the Notorious C.I.G. I think.
I get all the birds, I get all the birds. I get all the birds,
I get all the birds.
I was sitting at a bar and a woman from afar winked at me, and later on I saw her car. The other day I went and sat on the beach. Next minute there were 10 women within my arm's reach. They were all there trying to get near us. I took them back my penthouse and I got them to Shears. So many chicks are coming after me, it's nuts. I've got a huge store full of women and it never shuts. I get all the birds, I get all the birds. I get all the birds,
I get all the birds.
I get all the birds, I get all the birds. I get all the birds, I get all the birds. A heaps hot chick came up to me and said, Miles, you're the best, let me give you some bread. It was the bread from the middle of the loaf. When I was finished with that thing, it was toast. The chicks want me cause I'm a heaps mad rapper. I'm on the train with my Opel card, doing mad crappers. I got stopped by 2 female cops and they asked me to help them take their clothes off. I get all the birds, I get all the birds. I get all the birds, I get all the birds. I get all the birds,
Get on the birds.
I get all the
Birds. I get all the birds.